What's up, everybody? Jazz here from Jazz.com. Welcome to another tutorial on this channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up a professional React development environment on our Windows machine and then create our first React project. Before you get started, I would like to show you a list of the tools that we are going to install. First and on top of the list, guys, is Node.js. Node is a runtime environment for JavaScript. It actually allows us to run JavaScript on non-browser environments like on our operating system. And guys, it is a core tool in React app development. This is because the tools we use to create and run our React apps are powered by Node. Cool stuff. Next on the list, guys, is NPM. NPM, which stands for Node Package Manager, is actually two things. We have NPM as a registry, which is the official platform for hosting Node packages at npsjs.com. And we have NPM as a CLI, which is the official command line tool for installing and managing those Node packages and dependencies. The good news is, nowadays, we don't have to install NPM manually because we get NPM by default when we install Node.
Next on the list, guys, is NPX. NPX, which stands for Node Package Execute, is an NPM CLI tool that makes it super easy for working with other CLI tools. Another good news is NPX comes bundled with NPM, so this means we don't have to also install NPX manually. Good stuff. Next on the list, guys, is Vscode. The world's best and most popular code editor out there from Microsoft. Yes, we're gonna use VS Code to. And after installing VS Code, we'll also install a few powerful extensions to help us improve our React development workflow. We're gonna have Prettier for code formatting, and then we're gonna install this plugin called ES7 Plus React / Redux / React Native snippets. And this extension is actually a database of code snippets and boilerplates that allow us to quickly scaffold and write React code. And then we have this extension called npm IntelliSense. Yes, it's a VS Code extension that autocompletes npm module. Next on the list is Git and Git Bash. Git is a version control system, in short, VCS. It is actually the most popular one out there. Git helps us to manage and record the changes made to our code over time. In a special database called a repository. Git Bash is a Unix command line tool for running Git commands on Windows. It actually also comes bundled with Git by. The final tool that we're going to install, guys, is called React DevTools. React DevTools is a browser DevTools extension for React. Similar to the native browser DevTools, guys, it allows us to inspect our React component structure, the states, props, hooks, and more. It is available for all major browsers. It's available on Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and other popular browsers there. It is a must-have tool, guys, for any React developer. Guys, now that we have a general overview of the tools we are going to install, now let's get the. Alright, guys, now on the installation part. We are going to start with Node.js as it is a primary tool for our React Dev environment. This is Node's official website. You can easily come here by just typing on your browser address bar www.nodejs.org or simply nodejs.org. On the landing page here, we have the option to download either one of these versions, this one or this one. This is the latest stable version, guys, and this is the latest unstable version. But we are going to go with the latest stable version as it is the recommended version. So click on the download button and wait for the download to start. Guys, while the download is in progress, we are going to go to Visual Studio Code official website and then also start the download there. So guys, this VS Code official website, you can easily come here by just typing here on your browser address bar www.code.visualstudio.com or simply code.visualstudio.com. On here too, guys, all we need to do, just click on this button and start the download process. Good stuff. Guys, while VS Code is also downloading, we're going to go to Git official website. Guys, this is Git official website. Here too, you can easily come here by just typing on your browser address bar www.git-scm.com or simply git-scm.com. Here too, I'm just going to click on this button, download for Windows. Click. Now, as you can see, we are taken to this page. Now, here too, all we need to just click here to download. Good stuff. Now we wait for our download to complete. Great. Alright, guys. Now that we have all our tools downloaded, we can now start with Node. But before we start the installation process, I would like to show you how to check and confirm whether Node is installed or not in your system. The simplest way to check that is to go to your command line app, that is CMD, and type the Node command. You can go to your command line app by just using the shortcut Windows R and then type in CMD in here, CMD like this, and hit enter. You can see now that the command line app is open, all we need to do, just type in Node here and see. You can see we have this result, Node is not recognized as an internal or external program. So this basically means we don't have Node installed. So now I'm going to close CMD and then I'm going to double click on this thing to start the installation process. This is good. Now we have the welcome screen. I'm now going to click on next. Yeah, now check this. Then next. This is good. Just say next. Yeah, everything looks good here. You can just say next. Yeah, guys, this is good. So in here, you don't have to check this. Just say next. Yeah, now this is good. Now we can click on the install button to install. Good stuff, guys. Now the installation is done. We're gonna click on finish. Now we're gonna confirm that node is successfully installed. We're gonna do Windows R again to open the command line app like this and hit OK. Now in here, all we need to do just type node. Good stuff, guys. You can see welcome to nodejs version 20.9.0. This is good. Yeah, we can even basically run some JavaScript commands here. I'm gonna say 3 plus 6. You see? Now I can exit this by just typing .exit. Good stuff. Yeah, remember what I told you. npm comes bundled with node, same as npx as well. So I can just type npm minus minus version. Good stuff. You can see we have npm version 10.1.0 installed. Yeah, similarly, if I do npx like this minus minus version, hit enter. Yeah, here too we have npx version 10.1.0. Now we have confirmed that node is successful installed on our machine. Now let's go and install Visual Studio Code. Close this. Yeah, for VS Code, we're gonna double click on the icon here. Double click. Yeah, now on the welcome screen, you're gonna accept this. Yeah, you have to accept the agreement, guys. Then we click next. This looks good. We leave it to the default. Next. Looks good. Yeah, so guys, please don't check this. Don't create a start menu folder. Yeah, leave it like this. You don't have to check it. So click next. Yeah, now we can click on install to complete the installation. Good stuff. We wait for the installation to be done. Yeah, guys, this is good. Visual Studio Code is now successfully installed on our machine. Yeah, we're gonna leave this thing checked, and when I click on the finish button, it's gonna open Visual Studio Code. Good stuff. Awesome. Now Visual Studio Code is successfully installed. We're now going to install the extensions. So remember, guys, we need to install about 3 different extensions. We're going to install Prettier, and then we're going to install ES7 plus 6 Redux snippets, and then we're going to install npm IntelliSense. Yeah, this is how you install extensions on Visual Studio Code. Yeah, just come to the extension area here and click on this extension button. Then it will open this panel for you, and in the search area here, search for your extension and then install. Now I'm going to search for Prettier. It's also important to know that you need to have internet to be able to install extension from the Visual Studio Code extensions market. Yeah, so now what we need to do, I can just click on this to see more details about the extension, and then I can just click install here or install here. Either one will work. So I'm going to click install here. Yeah, and guys, please take note, this is Prettier code formatter from Prettier.io. This extension has over 38 million downloads. Good stuff. Yeah, while that is installing, we can basically look for the next extension. I'm going to search for ES7 plus React slash, yeah, I think this is the one. Yeah, so we need to install this one. I'm going to click on it, and you can see, guys, this extension has over 9 million downloads, almost 10 million. Yeah, all we now need to do, just click on install. Good stuff. While that is also installing, then we're going to look for npm IntelliSense. Yeah, I'm going to type npm IntelliSense. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, this is the one that we need to install, guys. Yeah, just click on the install button and get it installed on your system. Good stuff. Alright, guys, now when we install our extension, we're gonna have this install area now. Now the install area will basically show a list of all the extensions that we have installed on our Visual Studio Code environment. You can see currently we have 3 installed extensions. So this is good, guys. So now the next thing now is to configure Visual Studio Code to use Prettier as the default code formatter for our Visual Studio Code projects. To do that, we need to go to Visual Studio Code settings. Yeah, we can do that by coming here, file, and go to preference, and go to settings. Yes, we can use the long way, or we can use the shortcut control comma. So now in the settings area here, all I need to do is to search for code formatter. You can see currently the default formatter for our editor is none. So we're gonna click on this drop down and then look for Prettier. You can see we're gonna select Prettier. Good stuff. This is good. Now the next thing is we want to tell Visual Studio Code to format our code when we save or also paste code on our editor. I'm gonna say format on. Yeah, and then you can see format on paste is not checked. We're gonna check it, and also format on save is not checked. We're going to check it. This is good, guys. Now we have successfully configured Prettier as our default formatter, and at the same time, we are going to auto format our code anytime we save it or paste it. Good stuff. So now the next thing now, guys, is to install Git. Yeah, so now we are going to install Git. I'm going to double click on the Git icon here. Yeah, so here's the welcome screen. You have to say next. Yeah, this is good. Next. Yeah, so here we want to have Git on our desktop. Yeah, that's good. So check daily for Git for Windows update. We are not going to check this. It's okay. Yeah, add a Git Bash profile to Windows Terminal. This is a new feature, so I would not like to try it out. Yeah, so we just leave it as it is. This is good. Next. Yeah, this looks good. We just leave it like this. Yeah, so here also we don't want to check it. We want to leave it like this. So go next. Yeah, so here we need to select Git default editor. Yeah, so Git would need to have an editor because we'll be writing what we call commit messages. So I'm gonna select Visual Studio Code. You can see Visual Studio Code. This is good. So we say next. Yeah, it really looks good. Next. Yeah, we stay with the recommended defaults. Next. 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 Looks good. Next. Yeah. Next. Good for us. Next. Yeah. Next. And next again. Yeah, this also here we are not gonna check anything here. So we go straight to the installation part. Alright guys, now that Git is successfully installed, yeah, we can click on this just to launch Git Bash to see how it works. Yeah, so we don't want to show this. Yeah, we can just say finish. Yeah, this is good guys. So this is Git Bash. So we will not come here until maybe you want to push to Git. But this is the thing, we will not probably also be coming here very often. Yeah, because we'll be working with Git on VS Code. Yeah, just to show you that this is working, I'm gonna type in a Linux command like ls and then hit enter and see. Good stuff. Yeah, so now I'm gonna close this thing. Alright guys, now the final tool we need to install is React Developer Tools. Insert React Dev Tools. Yeah, remember guys, React Dev Tools is a browser extension. So we are going to install it in our Chrome browser or to your browser of choice. Yeah, but I would recommend you to use latest version of Chrome or Firefox. Yeah, now on Chrome, on Google homepage, I have searched for React Developer Tools. Yeah, I'm going to click on the first link on here like this. And here on the extension page, I will click add to Chrome like this. Yeah, I'm going to say add extension. Yeah, it looks like the download is successful. Yeah, we allow it to be integrated into our developer tools. Good stuff. Great. You can see React Developer Tools has been added to Chrome. We are now all set and ready to create our first React project. All right, now let's go to Visual Studio Code. Yeah, now on creating our first React project. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new folder, right click, and then I'm going to call it projects, like this. Then after this, I'm going to drag this and then open it in Visual Studio Code. Now we have project and open in Visual Studio Code. Now we can get started with our first React app. Yeah, to create our React project, we are going to use what we call a build tool. Yeah, we have these NPM tools called build tools. Yeah, what they do is they help us to automate various tasks involved in modern application development. And in the React ecosystem, guys, we have a lot of fantastic build tools for scaffolding React projects. Yeah, but I'll show you just two from the very popular ones out there. And we will actually just use one in this tutorial. So now, when you come here, this is one of the build tools that I would like to show you. Yeah, this is Create React App. And this is the official website. Yeah, Create React App is actually from the React development team. Yeah, so basically it is one of the official build tool out there for us to use to scaffold our React project. So the next one I'm going to show you is called Vite. Yeah, Vite actually is a framework which means quick. Yeah, and Vue guys is from the Vue dev team. We're going to click on this get started button. And then now we're going to click on scaffolding your first Vite project like this. Yeah, so in here, all we need to do is just copy this command, npm space create Vite at latest. So I'm going to click here to copy the command, and then we're going to go to Visual Studio Code and then run the command there. And then we're going to go to our terminal. Yeah, to go to your terminal, you can just easily click on this and say terminal, or you can use the shortcut control and backtick. So now on the terminal of Visual Studio Code, I'm going to paste in this command there. So let's see. Yeah, you can see the command is pasted npm space create space Vite at latest. So I'm going to hit enter like this. Yeah, so now it's asking us for the project name. I'm going to say my first React app and hit enter. So next is asking us for the framework. We're going to use the arrow keys to go to React like this and hit enter. Good stuff. So in here, we're going to use the arrow keys again to select JavaScript like this. Good stuff. Yeah, you can see guys, our project has been scaffolded, but this is not done. We now need to follow these instructions to run our project. Yeah, first we need to go into our project folder by just typing cd space my first React app, or we can just easily copy it like this. Good stuff. Hit enter. Yeah, now we are on our project folder. We can do npm space install. Yeah, this will install our package dependencies for our project. Yeah, and when that is done, we're gonna do npm space run dev.
to run our project. Yeah, good stuff, guys. You can see the installation is now done. Now, all we can do now, we can just say npm run dev to run our project. Yeah, good stuff. Now our project is running and is running on this address http://localhost:5173. Yeah, we can open this project now on our browser. I'm going to open this thing on Chrome. Awesome. Now we have our Vite plus React project running. Huh? Yeah, our React project is scaffolded with this basic counter app. So I can click on this button and you're going to see this count is going to increase by 1. Good stuff. Yeah, this is looking good. Yeah, just to confirm that our DevTools is also working, you can go to the browser DevTools by right clicking on this and say inspect. Or you can equally use the shortcut Control Shift and I. Now we are on the browser DevTools. We now want to actually use React DevTools now. Now to use the React DevTools, just click on the tabs here. Yeah, so you should see it on these tabs. Yeah, so for me, you can see I have to click on this more and then click on components or profiler. Now you can see on components now, if I place my mouse on the app, it's showing us, oh, that's our app, like the thing highlighted there. So I can click on the app there, and now it's going to load our what you call the props and hooks and some other stuff related to our application. Yeah, guys, you can see this state is actually this count number here. So I can actually change this value from here, let's say to 18, hit enter, it's going to reflect on the browser here. Good stuff. Yeah, so this basically means we can use our React Dev tools to inspect our app and then do some stuff with it. Good stuff, guys. So now I'm going to take you back quickly on Visual Studio Code and then we're going to end this tutorial. Yeah, guys, this is good. We have our project inside this projects folder, inside this my first React app. Yeah, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to end this tutorial here and then you guys can follow me in the next tutorial to learn more about React application development. Yeah, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And thank you guys for following.